Hi, have you ever seen somebody on the highway or on the parking lot with the flat tire, and you say, "Oh, well, that's not gonna happen to me." Well, guess what? It's gonna happen, and I'm here to show you how to take the proper steps to change a flat tire. Now, of course, when you're driving, you want to drive to a safe location, and you want to make sure you're in a good level concrete space, just like this parking spot. And parking lot is a great spot to change a flat tire. And the first step is to put your flashers on, so everyone knows and sees what you're doing, so you don't get hit or ran over. If you're on a highway, please move to the safest spot that you can, away from traffic. And then after that, you need to know where your spare tire is, where your jack is, and then where your lug nut wrench. This essential basic toolkit will be readily available in your cargo compartment, in your trunk. If you have a pickup truck, it might be hanging underneath the bed. In this situation, I have a mechanical jack, and I am going to locate the proper area. Again, look in your owner's manual to properly know where to locate your jack underneath your vehicle. So you wanna make sure that you have the proper. You want to make sure you have the proper location on your jack, and then as soon as you've seen that, because this is the dirty part, and then you want to keep on jacking up your car. And also, I missed it all. I'm getting remembered. Again, this might take a while, and you really need to use a lot of elbow grease, they say. And of course, when you're in a suit, you want to not try to get dirty, because after this, I still have a job to get to. So I would be on the phone calling my employer saying, "Hey, I have a flat." And it's important to stay calm, because when you're nervous and stressed out, you do some stupid stuff. So it's good to keep a very collected mind. Okay, now we see the tire off the ground now. Okay, when the tire is still on the ground, you want to break loose your lug nuts with your lug nut wrench. And the easy way to do is put them on it and then step on it with your foot. Step on it with your foot. Just like that. Better yet, it's easier than a four-way. So sometimes it's good to invest in some money in a four-way. After you broke those loose, you can continue by ejecting the vehicle. After the tire is off the ground, you can continue to take off the lug nuts. And of course, I am going to get sweaty, so it's important to. And then make sure you take your lug nuts in a safe place. I like to put them right by the jack where I'm not going to hit it with my feet. Sometimes it's important to wear gloves too if you want to. Wearing gloves makes the job less dirty on your hands, so you can continue. Now we're going to tie you off. It's about to do it. The safest place to put it at this point is under your vehicle. Then, once you located and was able to get down your spare tire, you can put it back. You can put it on the hub. Okay. And you just continue with the installation process. A lot of times people don't check the air pressure in the spare tire lot. That's when you run into problems. So monthly, I would check the spare tire. The tire pressure in the spare tire. On this tire, it says it inflates to 60 psi. So again, it's good to invest in some tools like a pressure gauge. Okay, as soon as those are hand tight, you are safe to. Then you want to take your spare tire, take your flat tire, and put it in the trunk. Now you want to lower the vehicle so the tire is hitting the ground, so you can continue to tighten the lug nuts. A good hit with your hand would be sufficient. After those are tightened, those are nice and tight. You want to lower your jack down slowly and safely. And after that, you want to make sure you put everything back in its proper place in the truck. In the trunk. So after that, you are safe to drive to the nearest. After that, you are safe to drive to the nearest tire store, auto repair service to get your flat tire fixed. If it's beyond repair, it might need to be replaced. Thank you for watching my video on how to change a flat tire.